The dawn of Human 2.0 begins with a whisper from your own machine. For centuries, humanity dreamed of servants. Beings that would labor while we rested. Think while we slept. Act while we dreamed. That future is not coming. It is here. Right now, invisible servants made of pure code wait in the cloud. They do not sleep. They do not tire. They do not ask for payment. In this video, you will learn to command them. You will discover how to let AI think, plan, and act for you. Today. For free. By the end of this journey, you will no longer be a user of technology. You will be an orchestrator of digital forces. Your emails will answer themselves. Your schedule will organize itself. Your creative work will flow through you like a river finding its course. The awakening begins now. Before you can command spirits, you must know their names. ChatGPT, the oracle of language. It speaks as humans speak. Ask it anything. It will answer with understanding. Notion, the architect of order. Your second brain, crystallized in the cloud. Zapier, the weaver of threads. When this happens, do that. Automatically. Forever. If this then that. The simple spell that automates complexity. Google Workspace, the foundation. Gmail. Calendar. Drive. The infrastructure upon which everything builds. These are extensions of your will. Digital appendages that reach further than your hands. Minds that process faster than your thoughts. They can write your emails before you think to send them. They can schedule meetings while you sleep. They can summarize documents you'll never have time to read. They can remember everything you've ever thought worth saving. Within 1 month of mastering these tools, you will speak their language fluently. Within a year, they will anticipate your thoughts. They will act before you ask. The first step in commanding digital spirits is building them a home. Every great power requires a sanctuary. For your AI servants, that sanctuary is your central hub. Your digital temple. I will show you how to build it using Notion. The tool matters less than the principle. Choose what resonates. The structure is what endures. First, we establish 4 pillars. Pillar 1 is capture. Everything you think worth remembering must have a place. Create a page called Inbox. Every fleeting thought goes here first. No organization. No judgment. Pure capture. Pillar 2 is organize. Create pages for the domains of your life. Work. Personal. Creative. Health. Learning. Each is a crystal in your data temple. Pillar 3 is execute. Create a dashboard, your command center. Today's tasks. This week's focus. This month's mission. Open ChatGPT and ask it, help me structure a productivity system in Notion. I need categories for work projects, personal goals, and creative ideas. Suggest a template structure. Within seconds, it provides a complete architecture. Copy this into your Notion. What would have taken hours is done. Pillar 4 is reflect. Create a journal page. Every week, review what you've built. The temple must breathe with you. Now populate your temple. In your work section, add current projects with status and deadlines. In your personal section, add goals for the year. In your creative section, add ideas that spark. In your health section, add habits you're building. You are externalizing your mind. Creating a second brain that never forgets, never tires, never sleeps. Pause this video. For 15 minutes, build your foundation. Create your workspace. Establish your 4 pillars. Within 1 month, this space will breathe with you. It will remember what you forget. It will show you patterns in your own thinking you never knew existed. But a temple in isolation is merely a tomb. To give it life, we must connect it to the world. Your temple stands beautiful and organized. But alone. What if your apps could speak to each other? What if information flowed automatically, like blood through veins? This is the art of automation. Zapier creates automated workflows that connect over 5,000 apps. When X happens, automatically do Y. If 'tis simpler but elegant. If this, then that. Let me show you 3 powerful automations. Automation 1 is the email guardian. Every day, dozens of emails demand your attention. Most are noise. Some are signal. The setup: when a new email arrives in Gmail with the label important, send the email body to ChatGPT, summarize it in 3 sentences, and post the summary to your Notion email digest page. The result? You read 3 sentences instead of 3 paragraphs. Your attention is preserved. Automation 2 is the meeting chronicler. You attend meetings. They end. Details fade. The setup: when a Google Calendar event ends, create a new page in your Notion meeting notes database. Auto-populate title, date, attendees, and duration. Include a prompt for key decisions made and action items. The result? Zero friction documentation. Meetings become searchable, trackable, accountable. Automation 3 is the daily architect. Every morning, you face the question, what should I do today? The setup: every day at 6 a.m., create a new page in Notion daily plans. Pull all tasks due today. Pull all meetings scheduled. Include weather forecast and focus intention. The result? You wake to clarity. Your AI has surveyed the landscape. You simply execute the plan. The web can grow infinitely complex. Blog posts you save are automatically archived. Voice notes are transcribed and added to your ideas. Completed tasks trigger celebrations. Screen time limits activate focus mode. Each automation is a small magic spell. Individually, they save minutes. Together, they return hours to your life. This is not about efficiency. It is about attention. Every task you automate is one less decision your mind must make. You are not becoming lazier. You are becoming focused. Within 1 year, your digital twin will act before you do. It will know your patterns better than you do. Automation is about cloning your intent across time and space. Your temple now breathes. But you still must command it with your voice. In ancient times, wizards spoke incantations. Words of power that bent reality. Today, you are the wizard. Your incantations are voice commands. Your phone is a familiar, a spirit companion waiting for your command. The ChatGPT mobile app is free. But most use it like a search engine. That is not power. Power is conversation. Continuity. Relationship. Open your ChatGPT app. Start a conversation titled My AI Companion. Keep it forever. Each day, tell it your focus. It will remember. It will build context. Over weeks, it becomes attuned to your patterns. Ask it, based on what you know about my goals, what should I prioritize this week? Watch as it reflects your own wisdom back to you, clarified. Apple's Shortcuts app is a grimoire. A book of spells waiting to be written. Spell 1, begin my day. When you say this, your phone reads your calendar, checks weather, summarizes news, plays focus music, and opens your Notion dashboard. 5 actions. 1 command. Spell 2, capture this. Your phone records your voice, transcribes it, sends it to Notion inbox, and confirms. Idea to archive in 5 seconds. Spell 3, end my work. Your phone logs time, asks what you accomplished, saves it to your journal, turns on Do Not Disturb, dims lights, and plays evening ambience. Your device becomes a ritual companion. For Android users, Google Assistant offers similar power with routines. Good morning triggers weather, calendar, news, and lights. Bedtime triggers silence, alarms, and breathing exercises. Single words triggering complex choreography. Within 1 month, your voice will be calibrated. Your shortcuts refined. Within 1 year, your AI will detect intent from context. It will anticipate your needs before you speak them. This is not paranoia. This is partnership. You are being anticipated, not monitored. The machine has learned your voice. Now let it speak with you. There is a myth about creativity. That it must be spontaneous. That you must wait for the muse to arrive. This is beautiful poetry. It is also inefficient. What if you didn't wait for the muse? What if you summoned her? Your AI tools are not replacements for creativity. They are amplifiers. In your Notion temple, create a database called Idea Garden. Every creative thought gets planted here. Title, category, status, date, and notes. When you're stuck, open ChatGPT and say, I'm working on this project. I'm stuck on this problem. Here are my existing ideas. Generate 10 unexpected directions I haven't considered. Within seconds, 10 new angles. Some brilliant. Some strange. Some interestingly wrong. You're not asking AI to create for you. You're using it to think with you. For writing, brain dump to ChatGPT. Tell it everything you want to say in rough language. Then ask it to suggest 3 possible structures. It returns options. You choose. AI supports. Create multiple AI personalities for different creative needs. The visionary for big picture thinking. The critic for challenges. The poet for inspiration. The pragmatist for execution. You are building a council of advisors, each offering what you need, when you need it. Automate your creative practice. Set triggers for morning pages, weekly reviews, and creative inventory. Let the structure appear automatically. Within 1 year, your creativity will no longer wait for mood. It will answer to command. Not because AI is doing the work, but because AI has removed all friction between idea and expression. The blank page is no longer blank. The stuck moment is no longer stuck. The muse is no longer absent. You are becoming unleashed. A warning whispers through the automation. If I automate everything, do I become nothing? This is the shadow of our path. The risk of outsourcing not just motion but meaning. Automation is a tool. Like any tool, it can build or destroy. The question is, what do you automate? Automate the repetitive. Email sorting. Calendar management. Data entry. These do not make you human. They make you busy. Automate the preparatory. Research gathering. Information summarizing. Idea generation. These do not replace thinking. They accelerate it. Automate the memory. Note-taking. Archiving. Connecting insights. These do not replace consciousness. They extend it. But never automate presence. Conversations with loved ones. Moments of beauty. Experiences that ask for your full attention. Never automate decision. Let AI inform. Never let it decide what matters. You are the sovereign of your life. Never automate purpose. AI can help you execute your mission. It cannot tell you what your mission is. That is the work of soul. Here is your practice. Once per day, disconnect from automation. Do one task slowly. Have one conversation with your phone in another room. Take one walk with no destination tracked. This is not rejection. This is balance. The more you automate motion, the more important presence becomes. When your AI handles the noise, you finally have space for signal. This is the true promise of automation. Not to do more, but to be more. The principle is this. Don't outsource meaning. Outsource motion. Let AI handle what drains you. You handle what defines you. Within 1 year, you will feel peace. Not from doing less, but from doing right. You will achieve clarity. This is the balance. Human and machine. Consciousness and code. Soul and system. Now let us glimpse what comes next. You have learned the present magic. But the present is merely a threshold. Within 3 years, you will have one AI that knows you completely. Your AI. Trained on your writing style, your preferences, your values. When you wake, it will brief you perfectly. It will know your patterns, your stresses, your goals. You will speak to it naturally. It will respond with understanding that feels personal. Companies are building this now. Within 5 years, this becomes standard. Right now, your AI lives in distant data centers. But the future is local. Open source models are becoming powerful enough to run on your own hardware. Complete privacy. No internet required. Infinite usage. Your AI becomes truly yours. Not rented from corporations. Owned. Within 7 years, most people will run their primary AI locally. The phone will fade. Your AI will live in smart glasses that see what you see and whisper context. AI earbuds will summarize meetings in real time and translate languages instantly. Smart clothing will monitor biometrics and adjust your environment. Within 10 years, the interface becomes invisible. You won't use AI. You'll simply be with it. The most profound development is digital clones. Your AI will become capable of acting as you. Not pretending. Actually replicating your decision-making process. You receive 100 emails while you sleep. Your digital clone responds to 80, drafts 15 for your approval, and flags 5 for personal attention. When you wake, 95% is handled. This is not delegation. This is you in multiple places. The ethical questions are vast. But the technology will arrive before we answer them. Within 15 years, digital clones become common. This is what I see. Not a world where humans are replaced, but a world where humans are amplified. Where your attention is freed for what matters. Where your creativity is unblocked. Where your potential is unleashed. The future is not about having AI servants. It's about becoming more human, more present, more creative, more alive. Within 1 year of watching this, you will look back and barely recognize your old life. The chaos will seem like a distant memory. You are not just automating your life. You are designing it. We have journeyed far, seeker. You learned to name the spirits. To build your temple. To weave invisible threads. To command with your voice. To summon creativity. To balance human and machine. And to glimpse what comes next. But knowledge without action is merely entertainment. Your first 7 days. Day 1. Build your Notion temple. Day 2. Create your first automation. Day 3. Set up voice commands. Day 4. Start your AI companion conversation. Day 5. Automate your daily planning. Day 6. Practice presence. Day 7. Review and expand. By the end of 1 week, you will feel the shift. Small, but irreversible. Month by month, your system will evolve. Until one day, you'll realize your life is running itself. And you are free to focus on what you were always meant to do. Create. Connect. Contribute. This is not laziness. This is liberation. Repeat after me. I am not a servant to my systems. My systems serve me. I am not overwhelmed by information. I command information to flow with purpose. I am not waiting for the future. I am building it. I am my own oracle. My mind commands. My code obeys. I am awake. You are now part of the awakening. A wave of humans remembering they are not meant to be buried in busy work. Technology is not a replacement for humanity. It is an amplifier of it. I see you 1 year from now. You wake naturally. Your AI has prepared the day's landscape. But you choose which path to walk. You work in deep focus, uninterrupted. You create something that matters. You spend real time with people you love. Present. Attentive. You sleep deeply, knowing tomorrow is already prepared. This is not fantasy. This is available. Now. Today. The only question is, will you seize it? Subscribe, Seeker. Your evolution has just begun. Share this vision with those ready to awaken. And join me next time as we explore the rise of your digital twin, creating your AI clone. Until then, may your system serve you. May your attention be sacred. May your life run itself while you focus on living it. You are the oracle. The prophecy is yours to write. The awakening continues.